Straight off the motherfucking streets of Cleveland. 5 true thugs from the double Glock. Busy, wish, crazy, lazy, and a nigga flesh. Ain't taking no shit in a 9-4. About to shut this bitch down. Kick that shit, niggas.
East 99 is where you find me slinging me,
Cleveland is the city where we come from, so run.
East 99 is where you find me slinging me,
Cleveland is the city where we come from, so run.
East 99 is where you find me slinging me,
Cleveland is the city where we come from, so run.
East 99 is where you find me slinging me,
Cleveland is the city where we come from, so run.
Now let's walk through the doors backwards, my thugs, and play with the Ouija board. Don't surrender. Don't surrender.
My nigga just a nigga witness, so can I get a witness? Can you duck up, started to kick this? Gotta get my shit and then you fucked up. They buck their bang, niggas ain't talking about them things. Thugs, mine, swine with a good time clank. Come again now, they drop down. When I'm off the block, fuck them cops, me and crazy. Better do the on your daily. Gotta get them up to the clock.
They got 2 down. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh. Here they go. They're here. We're there. Let's go. Alright guys, what's going on? Another day, Jaded Brand family. We're up. And we're out. I have my handyman Jerry behind me in the workhorse. And for those who don't know, the workhorse is a 2018 GMC Denali 2500. That is the workhorse. So we're headed now to go get mounted up. We're en route to go get mounted up. For those who don't know, watch yesterday's vlog, number 111. Yesterday's vlog, number 112, is the day we get mounted. And Motor 2 guys, what it's going to look like with the mountation, if that's even a word. Sounds funny. He was a little excited about us mounting these wheels on the on Vicious. And just as a recap for those who don't know, Vicious will be your 2019 Redeye Hellcat, Vicious Red Edition. If you look around me is red and hence the reason for Red Edition. Anyway, nevertheless, I'm headed to Discount Tire as we speak, and we will get you updated. We will get you updated here soon enough. So, all right. Well, for Jaded Brand family, I have a little bit of bad news today. you will not likely get this video until it's actually complete. But I still like to be straight up and forth with the family. So I pulled up a Discount Tire today, which is Saturday, January the 4th, and as soon as I start exiting the freeway, my windshield has started to become damp, and then it kind of like elevated to a little more moisture, and then elevated to a little bit of snow mixed with rain. As you guys know, Demon tires have more sort of a race tire on it, like a slick tire. It's not the smartest thing to put on a car on a day like this. And to be perfectly honest with you, my whole purpose of mounting those tires to this car was for the channel and for the channel only. Because I would not be doing, I live in Michigan, as you guys know, I would not be doing any racing until the spring. But we were going to put those tires on the Redeye, and then we were just going to pretty much park the car and only drive it on total dry days. But it makes no sense to prematurely do that just for the purpose of the channel. So with that said, I'm going to elevate this move to not put the wheels in the tire for most of the purpose of my safety. So with that said, we'll pick up this vlog when the time is right, and trust me, I am also excited about those wheels going on, but I'm more excited about being here to survive just a tad bit more for my safety. So with that said, we'll get back and catch back up with you here shortly. We came home, back to the house. As you can see, it's on, well, it's not on there, but you can see what that look is going to look like. I think I'm still going to take them to get them balanced. That way they're at least already balanced. Okay, put it back in. At least they're already balanced. Switch sides one more time, Jerry. So you can see, it's just a bad weather day. It's kind of like off and on, but we will still try to get this done for you. Let's go get these balanced. Okay, put it back on there.
Next time you test and try to smoke a nigga, bitch, remember me, kill 'em and no surrender. Something like that.
Yeah, it's just kind of cocked. Is it when you bump it the side down? Is it gonna?
Oh, it's that's why I gotta nail it down. Like when
Yeah,
I put 2x4s and nail it
it's
down.
gonna do it. Okay, yeah. That's the crown. The difference in that and that. Okay, go ahead. All right, guys. Are you guys ready to see the built-in cabinets that we did? So once we do this, once I show this, I reveal this, we have one more task to do, and that will be my built-in, this is going to be my built-in showcase of the cigar bar and champagne, high-end cigars, and all those things. But this is the cabinets. Now, before I say I'm a humble guy, but before I speak, what I mean by JADED brand, we don't just build cars. I mean, it's all about the mental state of mind. The mental state of mind. This is exactly what I wanted, and I showed you guys in my office how it was built. But we turned something that was so basic into something that is so much more. Now let me break this down for you guys and show you what you can do. This is a DIY. Do it yourself. DIY. Do it yourself. You guys get what I'm saying. Anyway, this is an individual cabinet, not the trim. Just from here to here. The cabinets came 5'11", but I wanted a built-in, and I wanted to be closer to 8 feet. So what we did was we built a base at the bottom. As you can see, this is screwed in and removable. We built the base. How high was the base we built, Jerry? Was it about a I think it was 13 inches.
13 inches.
13 inches from the floor. It's attached to the wall. We stacked the bookshelf on it. Now this is 2 bookshelves. They come as one for $99 from Walmart. But in order to make it look rich how I wanted it, we bought 2. We built 2, one base that they both go on to make it look like it's one large shelf, and made it look like it's a lot taller because originally again it's 5'11", and now it's about almost 8 feet. And what we did was we went to Home Depot and bought some trim, crown molding trim. And Jerry, you got this all on my walls right here, like I told you to not do. Never fails with you, what I tell you. I said, put tape and keep it right.
I
Be
did
careful.
You can see where I taped it though. When
The crown molding is here. We had to paint in the paint in the garage, Jerry. That has to be done. Hopefully we have another paintbrush. And we're gonna go ahead and do this right here as well. This cabinet here was about $200, and instead of having 2 of the bookshelves, we have the bookshelf and we have a cabinet. This was actually a storage cabinet, but what this is going to be when I have guests at my property, we're going to turn this to a closet where you can actually hang your coat. We're going to move this rack in here out. We're going to put a coat hang rack, and this is going to be people, my guests, my guys, when we come over, have fight parties or game parties or whatever, where they can actually hang their coats up. So, all right, I'm going to let you guys go. Should I say, I'm going to get back to what I was doing.
Even report from right where you are. Whether you're traveling around the country or out of the house.
You can see it now. This is the next day. And as you can see, they're done. There you go. Alright guys, what's up again, JADED Brand family? It's another day. I'm leaving the gym. As you do know, I have those wheels already balanced and off now. So getting that stuff. So we'll have to wait one more day. Thanks. Come again. Alright guys, here are the final touches to those Demon from Hell badges. As you can see, again, you have the Hellcat here, the demon face, but you also see there's a Redeye. So that's that. These things will be getting dropped off at the body shop this week, and we'll get you guys a full vlog. You have a full vlog of the Punisher. So let me get back to it.
And get my creep on, bone, get gone, hit it on tire, mess the gas and dash on, jump out of the Heade, moving body, hitting them cuts and trails, running like we're lunatics, gotta make it back to Hazeldale, escaping and looting the chase, fucking me gay, so nigga remember, me killer, me no surrender, 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 me killer, putting me on my knees, telling me moving, I'm dead, cause I'm killing all y'all bitches, turning them blue suits red, and then I'm coming to that funeral to shoot that bitch up, because I know that's where your bitch is bound to meet up. Cop killers all over that chest line, I know what to do with that best mine. 22 shots I kill her, you don't wanna fuck with bone, nigga, and it really ain't shit to pull the trigger on a